So welcome back students once again. Now I'll be teaching you another sum from some applications of trigonometry. I gave you the background before. Let me start straight away with this particular sum. In this particular sum, if you see, a tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground 20 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the height of the tower? As I told you before, trigonometry means right angle triangle. So let us draw, and since this is a tower has to be right angle triangle, we have taken a point. That's straight. This is a tower. Let's name this tower. Name it as AB. So let AB be the tower. Now from the point on the ground 20 meters away from the tower. So there should be another point here. Let this point be 20 meters away from the tower. So let C be a point which is 20 meters away. And the angle of elevation in this particular question is given to us. So the angle of elevation is given to be 60 degrees. So instead of writing theta, then we write it as 60 degrees. So what is the height of the tower? So basically we have to find out the height of the tower. So to start this question, let us write solution. Let AB be the height of the tower. Let C be a point 20 meters away from the tower. And of course, the angle of elevation is given as, and of course, an angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Now, to understand this, what is angle of elevation? This is something which I would like to mention. For example, there is a person standing on the top of a building and you are in the ground. So from the ground, if you are looking up, so you make an angle with the ground. So that angle is known as angle of elevation. So always remember, whenever is angle of elevation, from the bottom, if you are looking at something which is right on top, that angle will be known as angle of elevation. Now there is another one which is known as angle of depression. Now if there is an angle, if a person is on the top of a building, let's say, imagine, person is top of a building and he looks at the car which is at the bottom. Then he makes an angle with the imaginary line which is parallel to that of the ground. So that angle will be known as angle of depression. Of course, this and this are parallel, assumed to be parallel. So this is theta, this also turns out to be theta. So always remember, angle of depression and elevation. Elevation, when you are in the bottom, you are looking something up. That will be angle of elevation. When you are top of somewhere and looking at the bottom, somewhere down, somewhere at the bottom of it, then you tend to make an imaginary line is there, which is parallel to that of the ground. So you make an angle with that imaginary line. That angle will be known as angle of depression. So remember this, angle of elevation is different, angle of depression is different. So in this case, they mentioned about angle of elevation. So you've taken this angle of elevation as 60 degrees. So let's start. In triangle ABC. Now the question is, which ratio we use? This is 90, so hypotenuse is this. This is the angle, so this becomes perpendicular, this becomes base. So two things are there we have to find out. One is perpendicular and one is base. So we know perpendicular by base is tan theta. So we'll be using tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is how much? AB here. Now what is the base? The base is BC. So tan theta means tan of 60. AB, we don't know, we need to find out. And BC is your grade. So tan 60's value, if you remember, it is root 3. And AB is how much? We need to find out, 20. So we will cross multiply. Root 3 into 20, that is going to be your AB. So AB will be equals to how much? What is the value of root 3? Root 3 value is 1.73. Multiply by 20. So it will be 17.3 by 2, 6, 4, 1 carry, 34.6. So your answer should be 34.6 meters. So what does it indicate? It indicates that the height of the tower is 34.6 meters. So this is another sum for trigonometry. Thank you.